Hello everyone and welcome you all in mathematics class. Yes, I hope you are all fine and doing well. Yes, and today we are going to study this chapter simple interest. Okay, and here we will see some formulas here to find the rate when principal SI and time is given, and similarly to find the time when principal SI and rate is given. Okay, so some these type of formulas I have given over here to discuss, to learn, and then we will see some questions also based on that. And it is here second video for this week. So students, so now let's get started here. You can see that the formula I have given here first, that let principal equals to P first. First you have to assume these variables, that principal is P, that you can say principal is P, rate here R percent per annum I have taken, time is T years, and the simple interest is SI. Whenever I am saying SI, SI is the term representing simple interest. Now you will say that this SI is P into T into R by 100, means principal into time into rate by 100. This formula you have to learn. Principal into time into rate by 100. Here R is the rate, T is the time, and P is the principal value, which is being borrowed by the borrower. That I have already explained in the previous video, that what is principal, the money which is borrowed by the borrower, that is the principal amount, principal value. Now based on this formula, from this formula we have some more formulas that we can make with this formula. So that is P equals to SI into 100 by T into R, means SI into 100 by time into rate. Downside T is time and R is rate here. So this formula we can find from this formula only by cross multiplication here. Now the next formula is a rate equals to, R is rate, rate equals to SI into 100 by P into T, means principal into time. Okay, SI is the simple interest, P is principal, and T is time here also. Now then next you will see that time. So time equals to SI into 100 by P into R. That also you can get by the cross multiplication in the starting formula only. In the starting formula. Now we will see some questions here. Now you can see that find the time when the principal equals to 9,400. Okay, and simple interest is 1692. That means 1692, and the rate is 6% per annum. So it is the annual rate given. Okay, then you can say that for solving this question, that time equals to SI into 100 by principal into rate. Okay, then you will say what it is, simple interest is 1692 into 100, at principal is downside you will write 9400, and the rate is 6. Okay, so 1692 into 100 by 9400 into 6. So first you will solve that calculations, that this both 0 you will cut with the above 100 0. Okay, then you will cut what, 6 into 1 time this 6, it is divisible. Then you will write that 6 into upside 1692, how many times, in 282 times. 6 into 282 times, that 1692, it will cut in 282 times. Okay, now the result is what, 282 by 94, 282 by 94. So this also you will cut 94 into 1 time, this you can check by multiplication, and 94 into 3 time. So this way you will get 282. So that means 282 will be divisible in 3 times with 94. Then the result is 3 years only. So the time is, required time is 3 years, in which the principal 9400 will be there, SI will be 1692. Okay, so for this condition the time should be 3 years. Now the next question you can see, find the rate when principal is rupees 7650. That means the money borrowed is 7650, simple interest is 1530, and the time is given 4 years. SI is 1530 year. Then first you can write the formula that I have given you, that rate equals to, because you have to find the rate, so rate equals to what, SI into 100 by principal into time. Okay, because SI formula you are knowing, in that formula only you will make some changes, then you can find that formula. Rate equals to SI into 100 by principal into time. So SI, you will put the value of SI, that is 1530 is this is SI. Okay, now principal value is 7650, so here also 7650 is the principal value. Now time is 4 years, so here you will write the 4 years. Okay, then you will cut this 0 and 0 from upside and downside here. Now what you will do, this 4 into 1 time 4, and then 4 will divide to 25 in 25, 4 will divide to 100 in 25 times. Now you will cut this 153 also, 153 into 25 by 765. This is the result after this calculation, that 153 into 25 by 765. Now you may cut this 153 into 1 time and 153 into 5 times. This 765 will be divisible. Now this 5 and 25, 5 into 5, 25, you will cut this 5 into 5, 25, and this 5 into 1, 5. So result is what? 5% only. So this way you are getting the result, that is 5, means 5%. So this is the result that you can find. So 5% is the result here. Okay students, so this way you can solve the question. Now you can solve some questions based on this, such as from exercise 12a, question number 6 to 13. Easily you can solve. Okay, based on this. Okay, so now also you will revise the formulas given in page number 161 also. Okay students, so thank you all of you and have a nice day.